I take my chicken wings seriously, and so should you. All about the spice and the sauce. All these spices, put them in this, makes this. I take my chicken wings seriously, and so should you.
The video and the easy recipe on how to make that KFC imposter spice is on my channel. Be sure to check that out.
You can never have enough spice. Chicken wings, spice, and sauce. Those are the two most important parts of my chicken wings. Spice and sauce. You gotta add the crunch. Boom. Once they're coated, put them on a rack. If you got a big rack, you lay it down flat. Ba-da-ba. A little bit more spice never hurts. Boom! Let's put them in the air fryer. You gotta make them saucy. Dynamite chicken wings. I told you I take my chicken wings seriously. My KFC imposter spice chicken wings. The spice and the sauce, so important for the chicken wing. You gotta make these. And don't forget with your chicken wings, the push and pull. You take your flat, you grip it like that, you push it like that, and then you just pull it like that. Boom! One more time, the push and pull. You take your flat, you grip it like that, you push it like that. It's almost like a drum. You dip it, and then you pull it. This could be my best chicken wings ever.